Hi students, good morning. Now the continuation part 6. Okay, today we are going discussing substitution method of in integration topic. Substitution method. When we'll use the substitution method, for example, f of x into f dash x dx. F of x derivative is there here, then let f of x equal to t. Yes. Which function having derivative in that, either in numerator or in place of that, okay, then that function you take as a t. Yes. Now the question number 122. Up to part 5 we have discussed from 1 to 121 questions. Yes. Part 1, Part 2, Part 3, Part 4. Up to Part 3, we have discussed 121 questions. In Part 4 and Part 5, basic questions I have discussed from 1 to 19. Yes. Now by using substitution method, we can solve some problems. Okay. 122 question number: integration e power x root of 1 plus e power x dx. Tell me, this derivative is here. Yes, this can write like this: 1 plus e power x whole power 1 by 2 e power x dx. So this derivative is here. Which form it contain? F of x whole power n into f dash x dx, which is equal to 1 plus e power x whole power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. 123 integration dx by cos x root of cos 2x. Integration of dx by cos x root of cos 2x cos square x minus sin square x. Can I write like this? Yes. Okay. Cos 2x cos square x minus sin square x. Right? Then next step, you take common here, cos x, cos square x take common, you will get here 1 minus tan square x, sin square x by cos square x. Cos square x root take common, we will get cos x cos square x dx over integration 1 by cos square x equal to secant square x dx by root of 1 minus tan square x. Which function have differentiation here? Tan x differentiation is there. So let tan x equal to t, not whole function differentiation, not whole, 1 minus tan square x differentiation is not there here. Why? Because tan square x differentiation is 2 tan x into secant square x, 2 tan x not there, only tan x differentiation is there. Then we use substitution method. If whole is there, differentiation in the numerator, use f dash x by root f of x dx. Right? Tan x equal t, tan x differentiation secant square x dx equal to dt. So dt by root of 1 minus t square, which is equal to sin inverse t. So sin inverse of tan x plus c. 124 integration of x into sin of minus x square dx. Let x square equal to t, that you try yourself. Minus x square equal to t, minus 2x dx equal to dt, then x dx equal to minus dt by 2 sin t into dt by 2, minus have written here, minus sin t integration is cos t by 2 plus c. T change, t is equal to x square minus x square, cos of minus x square by 2 plus c. 125 integration root x by x plus 1 dx. Root x by x plus 1 dx. See, this is root x plus 1 here. Add here, root x is there. Can I write like this? Root x by root x whole square plus 1 dx right? If you take root x equal to 1 by 2 root x, but here root x is there, not 1 by 2 root x. 1 by root x is not there in the denominator, it is there in the numerator. Then what to do? We should take common. Okay, to get this form here, see, here, to get this form, x plus 1 here, this is add plus 1 and minus 1. Add plus 1 and minus 1. Yes, it's okay, it's possible here. Root x, no. Here x plus 1, can I write like this? Root x into root x plus 1. Root x into root x, x. If you take root x common here, then here root x plus 1 by root x, then root x get cancelled. No way that is. So this is, we can find by using the different method, rationalization. To get the answer here, they given the options here. Root x, first option is root x minus tan inverse of root x. Second option, root x plus tan inverse of root x, plus third option 2 into root x minus tan inverse of root x. Fourth option 2 into root of x plus tan inverse of root x. To get this form, to arrive this answer, what to do? First you multiply by 2 here. Yes, 2 here. What is use of that? If you multiply by 2, that we can write root x plus root x. Add plus 1 and minus 1. Right? Plus 1 and minus 1. Here root x plus 1. Okay. And one more method I am going to explain here. By applying differentiation of the option which is equal to this, that option also correct. See, I am going to by reverse order. What is the differentiation of this is? 1 by 2 root x. What is the differentiation of this is? Minus 1 by 1 plus x squared, means 1 plus x. Is it by taking LCM here, root x into 1 plus x, you will get here 1 plus x, okay, minus 2 root x. Is it equal to this? No, it is wrong here. This is root of x plus, means plus will get, also wrong. This you check it. If it is there, multiply here 2 is there here, 2 get cancel here, will get minus root x, x minus root x, 1 plus x minus root x. 1 plus x minus root x we can write here 1 plus root x into root x minus root x by root x plus 1 plus root x, but here minus is there, but here plus, so this must be correct. See, 2 into 1 by 2 root x plus 1 by 1 plus x squared into tan inverse x derived 1 by 2 root x, right? 2 get cancelled. LCM here, root x into 1 plus x, it comes here 1 plus x plus root x, 1 plus x, 2 root x here, sorry, here 1 will get, sorry, here should be minus 1, then it is cancelled. So minus 1 means this is a correct, not this is, here we have done wrong. Yes, that means 1 plus x by root x, 1 get cancelled, x by root x is root x. Okay, when you are not able to getting, by option also you can verify, the C option is right. Now I am going to solving this. Root x by root x plus 1. See, this is root x, multiply by root x, here we will get x by root x into x plus 1, right? Add plus 1 and minus 1, split this by this, 1 by root x minus 1 by, this is one more here, 2 it should be there. First you multiply by 2 here, x by root x multiply by 2. Next step here, 1 by 2, 2x we can write x plus 1 and minus 1 by root x into x plus 1 dx. 1 by 2, right? In this, x by root x, 2x here, x plus x here. Okay? Right. This is x plus x. Which one? X plus 1 write together. Plus x minus 1 write together. By root x into x plus 1 dx. By splitting here, this get cancelled. 1 by root x, integration is 2 root x. 2 root x. Are you following? Next here, plus 1 and minus 1 here. X plus 1. Okay. Minus 1 here. Plus 1 and minus 1. X minus 1 you take it. X plus 1 here. Here x minus 1. 1 by 1 plus x square. Root x minus 2 root x. Right. So this option here. Sorry for this. I am taking time here. See. This is the correct answer. How I guess is C. Just to apply differentiation here. 1 by 2 root x minus 1 by 1 plus x into 1 by 2 root x. So 2 LCM here, 2 root of x into 1 plus x. 1 plus x minus what is the value of this? Cancel here 1. So this is get cancelled. So 1 plus x minus 1 by root x into 1 plus x. Okay, 1 get cancelled. X by root of x. X by root of x equal to root x by 1 plus x. This is allowed here. So this is by differentiation of this we got this is the answer is this one. Right? To find direct that one, just simplify here. Separate you can find it. This add 1 minus 1. Okay. After that we will get this is. Then the differentiation is this one. See, from this direct I am going to find. Direct little bit getting idea is difficult here. Root x by x we can write x by root x into x plus 1. Add plus 1 and minus 1. This by this 1 by root x minus this by this 1 by root x into x plus 1 dx. This integration is 2 root x. This integration is this we can write root x whole square. Root x equal to t. Let this differentiation is here 1 by 2 root x multiply by 2 here. Yes. Then you will get 2 into tan inverse of root x. Root x equal t. 1 by 2 root x dx equal dt. T square plus 1 equal to tan inverse of t. This is the answer. 2 take common. Root x minus tan inverse of root x. Whenever you are getting feel difficult to solve this problem, by seeing the option you will get the idea. Okay, don't buy it. Okay, the way of thinking is very important. Okay, don't waste the time. When you are not able to getting immediately see the option, you will get idea by seeing the option. By solving differentiation, this we get. So this is the option is right. Next one is question number 126. Integration of sin phi x by root of cos phi x dx. This differentiation, cos phi x differentiation is sin phi x minus into 5 by y. So f dash x by root f of x equal to 2 root of cos phi x plus c. 127. Integration of tan cube 2x sec 2x and dx equals, this is tan square 2x tan 2x into secant 2x dx, tan 2x whole square, right? Tan 2x differentiation secant square x, but there is no secant square x. So this we can write This we can write secant square 2x minus 1. Integration secant square 2x minus 1 into secant 2x into tan 2x dx. Right? Here, this into this, this into this. Integration of secant 2x whole square into secant 2x tan 2x dx minus integration of secant 2x tan 2x dx. This differentiation is here. Into 2 should be there, multiply by 2 here. Then 1 by 2 secant 2x whole cube by 3 minus secant 2x plus c. This is the answer. Next, integration of x power 6 sine of 5x power 7 dx equal k by 5 cos of 5 into x power 7. Let 5x power 7 equal to t, 5 into 7x power 6 dx equal to dt, x power cx dx equal to dt by 35. Then sine of 5x power 7 sin t dt by 35. 1 by 35 sin t integration minus cos t plus c minus cos of t 5x power 7 by 35 plus c. Next, 29th question. 129 is integration of 1 by x into log x whole power 99 dx. Let this is by formula we can find by substitution method. By formula C, log x whole power minus 99 into 1 by x dx. This derivative is here. Then f of x whole power n into f dash x log x whole power minus 99 plus 1 by minus 99 plus 1 plus c. So log x whole power minus 98 by minus 98 plus c. It comes down here. 130 integration 1 by 1 plus sin x dx equal to tan of x by 2 plus a plus b. So what is a and b value? This is how can find by rationalization. Yes, tell me the rational factor. 1 minus sin x. After getting, you have to convert it this form. 1 minus sin square x cos square x. 1 by cos square x secant square x. Sin x by cos square x secant x into tan x whole dx. Secant square x integration tan x minus secant x. Correct? Right? But is not there in the form of this. So I said secant x minus take common here, secant x minus tan x. Secant x minus tan x formula minus tan of pi by 4 minus x by 2. Yes, this minus take inside, then tan of x by 2 minus pi by 4 plus c. This is equating with this tan of x by 2. A is minus pi by 4, b is c means any real number, constant. Next, integration of 1 by 4 plus 3 cos x dx equal to a into tan inverse of b tan of x by 2. What is the b value? A and b value, which is important for JEE. This is the important for JEE, not for CET. Yes. Whenever this form, whenever it comes, if it is this type of problems are there, okay, the method is in place of 4 1. It's a JEE question, 4 into 1 plus 3 into cos x. We should write like this. In place of 1, write, for example, sin square x plus cos square x. Here cos x we are writing in form of half angle, cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. So this is an half angle, so this also we should write in half angle. If it is cos 2x, then here sin square x plus cos square x. This is cos square x minus sin square x. Yes, half angle, right? Cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 plus 3 into cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. Cos x formula, that is. Are you following? If it is cos 2x comes here, cos square x minus sin square x, here cos square x plus sin square x. Right? Integration of dx by 4 cos square x by 2 plus 3 cos square x by 2 equal to 7 cos square x by 2 plus 4 minus 3 plus sin square x by 2. Right? Now cos square x by 8 we should take common here. When you take cos square x by 2 common, 7 plus tan square x by 2. This is comes up secant square x by 2 dx. This derivative is here. Let tan x by 2 equal to t. Tan x be to differentiation secant square x by 2 1 by 2 dx equal to dt. Secant square x by 2 dx equal to 2 dt by root 7 whole square plus t square. 2 into tan inverse of t by root 7 plus c. T means tan x by 2. Equating with this, what is A? 2. What is B? 1 by root 7. This is important for JEE. Next, 132 you can solve it. 135 integration e power x into sec x into 1 plus x tan x dx. Let x into sec x equal to t. Why? Because this differentiation is here. X into sec x differentiation, sec x into tan x plus sec x, x differentiation is 1 into dx equal to dt. Sec x into 1 plus x tan x dx equal to dt. Integration e power t dt. E power t integration e power t plus c. E power t is equal to x into sec x plus c. Next, integration of e power minus x cube x square dx. Let x cube equal to t minus x cube equal to. Next, integration of e power x plus x dx. This is a raised to m plus n equal to a raised to m into a raised to n. So this is equal to t, e power x equal to t then e power x dx equal to dt, e power t, this is equal to dt, e power t integration, e power t plus, so e power x plus c. One 36 integration of e power root x cos of e power root x by root x dx. Let e power root x equal to t, e power root x to 1 by 2 root x into dx equal to dt. E power root x is t, cos t, dx by root x is dt into 2 here, e power root x dx by root x, this equal to dt. So cos t integration is sin t plus c, 2 into sin of e power root x plus c. Next 137 integration of e power x 1 plus x dx by sin square x into e power x dx. Let x into e power x equal to t, u into v, x e power x derivative is e power x plus e power x, x differentiation is 1, dx equal to dt. This is equal to dt by sin square t. Sin square t means cosec square t, cosec square t dt, cosec square t integration minus cot t plus c, so minus cot of t, t is equal to x into e power x plus c. One 38 integration of log x into sine of 1 plus log x whole square by x dx. Okay, let 1 plus log x whole square equal to t, because this differentiation is here, 1 derivative is 0, 2 log x differentiation 1 by x dx equal to dt. So log x dx d by x equal to dt by 2. This is sin t and dt by 2. Sin t integration minus cos t by 2 plus c. So minus cos of t 1 plus log x whole square by 2 plus c. 139 integration of x into cos cube x square into sin x square dx. Let x square equal to t, 2x into dx equal to dt. So x dx equal to dt, yes, dt by 2, cos cube t into sin t into dt by 2. This is in the form of f of x whole power n cos t whole cube, cos t differentiation minus sin t, multiply by minus, okay, f of x whole raised to n into f dash x dx equal to minus 1 by 2 cos t whole power 4 by 4 plus c. Next 140 integration of tan x into secant square x root of 1 minus tan square x dx. Okay, let this is equal to t, this differentiation is here.